Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Today we are going to do a presentation of pest control techniques. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. My name Arlena Citramalia with student number 134200263. Fauzian Nashwa Nabila with student number 134200264. Jagar Hasinatra with student number 134200265. And Taufik Dwi Novianto with student number 134200266. The first method is technical culture. Technical culture is a way of protection by leveraging the environmental conditions needed by bees, but according the environmental condition that plants need. Example of technical culture include the use of mastra, crop turning, and the system in unison in one fell field and planting a trap. The purpose of the technical culture is to find weak links from the seasonal cycles of pests so that pests don't develop.
Resistant variety. The resistant variety is one component of PHT. In PHT, the pest population is kept below the economic threshold and therefore a highly effective system for insect pests that have a slow population growth rate. Physical and mechanical biological. Physical control by changing the physical factor that can threaten the life of pests. Physical factor such as temperature, humidity, and light. A. Temperature can be used high temperature or low temperature. B. Humidity. Relative humidity between plants can be adjusted by adjusting the spacing of the trees or shade. C. Light. Use light trap to catch positive phototropic insect which attracts to light. For instance, aphids are attracted to yellow light. Mechanical method. There are 4 mechanical methods. 1. Hand picking. This method is easy and simple, only by taking eggs, larvae, or imago in the crops area and then destroy. 2. Gropyokan. To control rat pest. Rat were killed directly with tools such as hose. 3. Trapping. This method uses attraction such as light, smell, and color. For example, light trap, pheromone trap, and sticky trap. And the last, expulsion. The target is pests that are on the way to the field by installing status or making noise. For instance, the use of a scarecrow and placed in open fields to discourage birds such as crows or sparrows from disturbing and feeding on recently cast and growing crops.
Biological. Biological plant pests are controlled by natural agents. Example include 1. Predators such as lady beetles. 2. Parasites such as digger webs. 3. Pathogens such as bacteria to kill larvae. Chemical and regulatory pest control techniques. Chemical pest control is pest control using chemical substance. Pest control is usually done by spraying chemical on plant parts. This pest control is often carried out by farmers. Therefore, chemical pest control is often included in the control of pests and disease. There are several kinds of pesticide, namely A. Fungicide for fungus control. B. Insecticide for insect control. C. Herbicide for weed control. D. Nematicide for control of nematode. E. Acaricide for meat control. F. Ovaricida for control of insect eggs and meat eggs. G. Bactericide for control bacteria. E. Larvicide for larva control. A. Rodenticide for mouse control. G. Avicida for bee control. K. Molusida for snail control. L. Sterilant for scot. Negative impact of pesticide are 1. Pests are or disease or which become resistant or immune. 2. Resurgency or re-emergence of these pests. 3. There was an explosion of secondary pests or disease or which. 4. Natural enemies were destroyed. 5. The killing of the non-target creature. 6. Environmental pollution. 7. Residual effect. 8. Human accident.
Loss and regulation. Control below saturation regulation, namely the prevention of dispute or transfer and transmission of disturbing organisms, stroke statutory policy established by the government. The legal basis of prevention with regulation is as follow. 1. Undang-Undang Number 16/992 about karantina hewan, ikan dan tumbuhan. 2. Peraturan Pemerintah Number 6/995 about perlindungan tanaman. 3. Peraturan Pemerintah Number 14/2000 about karantina tumbuhan. An example of the pest control with regulation is the prohibition of sending potato seeds from Batu, Malang to other areas that have not been attacked by the potato cyst nematode or Lobodera rostochinesis. PHT or plant pest control. Plant pest control is the regulation of planting disturbing creature or organism called pests because they are considered to be harmful to human health, ecology, or the economy. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention. If anyone has a question, please comment down below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.